This is tutorial number 26, and it is the first tutorial in solid modeling or 3D modeling. So let's start a new part file. We go to mechanical design, part design. Okay, so you have be sure that you have these workbench tools, including the pad. So pad is, or extrusion, is to extrude the 2D sketches, make from them 3D models or solid bodies. So let's start with making profile. Let's choose an ellipse, and to extrude a profile you need to have a closed profile. So now let's exit and select pad, and here the pad definition menu pops up, and here you can choose the thickness of the extrusion. For example, we can type 50, so we have extruded this ellipse. $50mm. To re-edit the pad or the feature, we can simply double click on the feature pad 1, and we are now able to re-edit this. For example, at 60. Preview. If we press preview, so it will show you a preview for the extrusion here. If we are fine with it, then we click OK. So now let's make another extrusion. Also, we can make a sketch on the surface. We didn't talk about that before. Now we have a solid body. You can create a sketch on a surface or a flat plan. So let's rotate or create a sketch. Choose this flat surface and click sketch. So now we are able to sketch on that surface. So let's choose polygon this time and create polygon on the top of that ellipse. Exit. Now you can extrude that polygon. Press pad, so you have a preview for this. Now you have different types for the extrusion, up to next, up to last, but in this case we don't have enough solids to use these types, so it is up to next in case you have a solid body next to this, and then it's going to extrude up to it, and or if there is a plane or a surface. So we're going to cover these types in the practical section and examples, which are going to upload it. So let's choose dimension, and here you have your selection. Now you can, for example, if you select this one and exit from that selection, so exit, so it is unable to extrude that. So now if you choose thick, now you have a surface to extrude. Now you have to make a length. For example, this is the second direction, and the thickness, can make it 2mm. The thickness of the outside wall is 2mm. So let's click OK. So we have a thickness we extruded only thickness of that profile. So this is an idea what pad is about, and we're going to use it a lot in the practical examples. So it will be a very good training on SolidWorks. So now I'm done with this tutorial. In the next tutorial we're going to talk about the drafted fillet pad. So see you in the next tutorial.